Here is Snappy Slide exercise 11. This exercise will go up to a higher note in fourth position called G. Here's the full pattern. Listen closely. Let's break this pattern into two parts. First, let's sing and slide the first part together. 1, 2, sing. 1, 6, 4, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4. Go back and repeat that as many times as you need. Now, let's play that part together. 1, 2, breathe. Now, let's sing and slide the second part of the pattern together. 1, 2, sing. 1, 3, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6. Now, go back and repeat that as many times as you need, and then let's play that part together. 1, 2, breathe. And before we play it through together, let's go ahead and sing and slide the whole thing. 1, 2, sing. 1, 6, 4, 3, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6. Go back and repeat these parts as much as you need. Now we'll play through the pattern 2 times in a row together. 1, 2, breathe. Use the YouTube speed up and slow down functions to work on that pattern at your own pace. Here is your end goal for a speed 2 times through. 1, 2, breathe.